Okay, welcome to Cooking in the Prius. Here we are. We're running the Jackery 500, 67%. Now we're waiting for the light. Oops, no, it's still heating. So we're making cheese waffles, and then I use the dash, what's it called? Skillet to make an egg. That skillet does make pancakes, but I don't like the kind of pancake it makes. It pancakes rise and then they deflate again. Oh, here we are, ready to put the batter in. Oh, it's always fun doing it while filming. Okay, first cheese waffle goes in. Okay, so here's how I make my cheese waffles. So we have half a cup of shredded cheese, an egg, 3/4 of a cup of flour, and half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then we have a half a cup of cream. So we will need a few more, maybe a couple tablespoons full of water to bring it all together. At least in my trial, that's what it needed. But for now, we were all in here. And I know you should do the liquids first and the dry stuff separate and then bring together. But for today, just see how this will work here. It's not a cooking show. Although it may make a difference, but well, I guess I will live to learn. Okay, stir, stir, stir. Yep. And that's where we need some water there. And I would actually say 1/8 of a cup. Let's see how it does with that. Yeah, and if I would have done the proper way, I wouldn't have had so many lumps. I know. But it's coming along. So we're making the cheese waffles because I find that the Dash sandwich makers, the pancakes I make is not really what I want. And yeah, well, I'll explain to it in a moment when we're actually out and cooking. Okay. So here we are, got a couple beautiful cheese waffles, and I think there's at least 3 more batter enough there for three more. So we can make breakfast for 2 people, I would say. And as soon as this is done heating, we'll be frying us a nice egg. Okay, so there we go. Egg is in. Close the lid. And off we go. And down 61%. So I didn't fully recharge the Jackery because I didn't have enough time. And I hope there's enough in there to make some pizza. And for the pizza, I use the Dash egg bite. So you'll see in a moment. On a different video, I don't know yet. Okay, so just pulled the egg out of the electric skillet and put it on one of the cheese waffles and another one on top, and breakfast is served. Okay, so here is the Dash egg bite maker, and it comes with some silicone molds or forms or cast where you can put your eggs in, or I will make some egg bites at one point too. So right now we're trying to make pizza and that unit. Okay, so I got all my ingredients there. There's my dough, some meat, there's the sauce, and We start out as Jackery on 60%. It's pulling 325, so that's not too bad. And I have contemplated how I'm going to do this, and I decided that I will put everything in right away while it's heating up. So there you go, everything piled in there. Sorry I couldn't film and doing it at the same time. And there we go. Put it down and see what happens. So we had 58, and that guy will need a while. So the dash stopped. Well, the fan stopped, which means right now there is no draw on it. So the dash egg bite maker is at temperature. We're just gonna have a peek here and see what's happening in there. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. So let me quickly have a look at my my watch here, and it's been going for five minutes. That's not bad at all. So here we are, we're still going nicely. It turned off for a little bit, it's going again. We had 54. Remember we started at 68, I believe, so we're not doing too bad. I will put in the videos how I make the dough and how I made the batter for the cheese pancakes, the cheese waffles. I did that in my kitchen. Could have made it in here? Sure I could, but not filming at the same time, and it would have been a whole lot more messier. So this board here I made with leftover tiles, and just put it on a piece of plywood, just with the tile adhesive, and then grouted it afterwards. And I think that makes a really good cooking surface, you know, mobile cooking surface. No matter if you're cooking in your car or even in a motorhome, if you don't want to use the propane burners, which I won't. So I will put that on the burners, because I'm not going to use the propane burners. They're too old. Okay, well, we have stopped again. So look, see, and if that's not a pizza, then I don't know what. So here we are. This is now 15 minutes later, so it took 15 minutes, and you saw the cheese stuck to the top of the egg bite maker, but when it's cooked, when it's done, it comes off on its own very easily. There we are, and Jackery is at 51, so we burned 17% to make a pizza and to make a cheese waffle breakfast. That's not too bad. So I love those little appliances, they're fantastic. Thanks for watching. Bye.